Baza uthi kwenzala nenzela kuphi? Ayifisi nenzela la. Yo. Ila ni package khona. Oh, so nina mabhodlela wonke la. Kanti wine manufacturer guys nize niyitika. Istika sande.
Remy Martin.
Remy Martin. Yeah. Oh yeah. Remy Martin. So, kupomponse the ingredients. Ukuthi nimixela la mabhakete ne?
Yes.
So la in Remy Martin.
Le Jimson.
Oh, le Jimson. Ngikuphuza ngibona ukuthi vele yokuphuza vele. Yeah.
Yes.
Why did you guys decide to come up with a business illegal kanje?
Solution la le ubusufikile siyakwazi sikubone TV. Yabona usizi sisiyazi ukuthatha kwesikhathi uzama umsebenzi ungawutholi ugcina usuwenza izinto ukuthi uzame impilo esoshola lina.
Wengavuli shop ke at least or try ngavuli ngihamba nabantu baseli cupboard ne. These ones are the ones abanika i-license and all of that. Why ke wayivuli cupboard? Uvule ishop uvule babies and ishopini uthithaveni yokuthengisa utshwala ubu-right uyanganasena
manje yasengizabe kaningi kanjani ngithatha namafoni okutholile kuzana i-license ethaveni kunzima ukuyithola sisi
then udecide ukuthi uthengise lezi zinto ezi-fake
angithi manje usuzama imali ukuthi ugcina ukuthi uyithola imali okwenza into e-right uyabona manje ngeke njenganami
uqaleni
mina sekuna 2 years
nenza amabhodlela engakhethe
hayi asezinjalo sisi
nenza makwenza kanjani
angithi phela manje makuphelile umuntu afethe ngebhodlela elilodwa
600
kanjalo kanje hayi sisi
300
yabo njenganami mina ngidayisa loba ngithenga 250 200 angithi akusiyo original problem iziqiniso
so abantu labantu bathengisela bayazi ukuthi asiyo original
umuntu usethenge azi sisi angithi usethenge ibhodlela elilodwa yophuza ngeke ulibize 600 ibhodlela singoriginal esiqhama manga sisi nawe ngeke ngikunike ibhodlela ulibotha singoriginal ngikubize 600
so le bhakede le yabona ukuthi injani le bhakede le linqolile kanje ithela utshwala ithengisela abantu bese bayaphuza
ngaphakathi kodwa liclean siyalwa
because of also ngiyayibona nokuthi ngaphakathi clean ukhumbule whatever that you're doing it's wrong in terms of your ingredients awazi ukuthi mayifika emzimbeni umuntu enzani it might not affect them now but in the long run because everything by some money you understand tate ke moge hauna re bileng ka busaka certification ke distillery ya bona
Ma'am, it is not allowed in terms of Liquor Act, Section 127. They are not allowed to sell any counterfeit. It is an offense, and law enforcement need to be involved in this instance. The police, they are not allowed. It is an offense. Yeah, especially when they don't have any documentation.
And also, I mean, inspectors need to come and inspect. If Luna distillery. Never go le kamara go distillery I doubt and never go so go distillery I doubt all right thanks mo luck for one phakathi and I believe ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ziyafana in actual fact you use one ingredient for all of them
azifani sisi
zihlukana ngani ngithi ngibonisa ama ingredients
azifani sisi
zihlukana kanjani so this is the lenifaka la Jameson kanje nenza kanje manifa ne bese neyisusa la endlini ulibukele imoja la kanjani nibukeleni
sibuka khona imoja la
so niyenza so bese niyayifaka nithi bese nithi maybe plus master uyifaka straight again mina ngithi ngathi bese nithi bese yahlala kanje uthe kunani la phakathi
utshwala lapho phakathi
you try so just utshwala it's legal alcohol it's not asi king owner see you ne yini phakathi which ingredients did you use for example ngizokuthalela ngithume ngizokuyela
angithi sisi yabona siphi isigubhu esimhlophe esilapha nesigubhu esiyi-1
les okay
sinuke phakathi yivami nalokho sicela unuke lapha sisi
iJemison it's fine mina ngibonisa ama ingredients
sengisho ukuthi sisebenzisa bona
nisebenzisa khona amanye nawo ama and then bese nisebenzisa ne coloring food coloring yokudaya inle
yokudaya i-chemical
yokudaya iJemison or
leyo yokudaya lokubomvu
for example uphi lo
abukho sisi namanje
abukho lobo ne
leyo yokudaya bomnyama
so abo Jemison abo Remy Martin ndizithengiswa
Dase
ePitoli umlungu basho bathi ibhuni basho bathi ukuthi umlungu and then lena so uyanifundisa njengoba allo anithengisela lezi zinto
angithi isikole lapha ePitoli sisikufundela ukukhanda utshwala
aw
isesikole
nina musiyo qualified
cha ngithi phela lapha sisi nje kuyisikole ukuthi ufunda ukukhanda utshwala bese ukuthi ke
bese
ukuthi imali athi bizosisi kuchaza
imali utsotsi Hennessy VS OP bawavale kahle mabaceda lapho bese mali le
sibese 250 200 umuntu uyakhala ngithi
kana kibuka ko shop mali le shop
angikhuzi
1000 awuphuzi uyabukhanda mara awuphuzi
ngiphuza utshwala
so and then nivala kanjani because like this looks legit I won't lie to you
sithenga isivalo lesi sokuvala lesimnyama lesi sikhona la phansi sisi
yeah and then kuthi ibe kanje ngithi nisebenzisa yini hair dry bese niyavula nisi Kosi yehla moyini and then bese niyenza ne cruise lo nibukhanda kanjani lo
yibo ke ububovu ufaka
okay alright ibe nina nikhanda everything la ne cold drink maybe nikhanda
hayi siyiphuza kuseyithenga
nibe nisithengela nibe nitest utshwala akaze kwaba nekhiso umuntu oshona mebuke baba khona
hayi cha akaze ngisisi sibe ngale unkinga
yeah shucks I think inhliziyo yami ibhlungu yazi why inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ibhlungu inhliziyo yami ngoba even if uthi akakabi nomuntu oshonile one day kuzoba nomuntu ohambayo ngenxa yenu
okay
you understand ezisubhlungu
unzima sisi
go amateksi simela amaphoyisa yaso So Slana police station, we're handing them over to the police. From here, it's entirely up to abantu bomthetho. Bye bye.